Alright, so we got a 12 mark trig question, and they want us to solve it between 0, theta, and 360. So the easiest way of doing this is you would want to turn the tan 2 theta into sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta. So over cos 2 theta. This would be easier because now you can multiply out the cos 2 theta from this side over to the other side, get rid of this, and make this a 17 cos square 2 theta. So you would start by doing that, right? Yo,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
You gotta restart. You can't just be like, oh,
No, no, chill, chill, chill. So if I multiplied out the right side by cos 2 theta, this would go, and this would become minus 17 cos square 2 theta. So it becomes 19 plus 2 sine squared 2 theta. And then you can just, it's still multiplied by the sine 2 theta, remember that? Equals 3 minus 17 cos squared 2 theta, right, like that. If I multiply the left side now by this sine 2 theta, it would become 19 2 theta
oh,
plus
okay.
2. Now this is where it becomes weird because usually you don't get a cubic for this. So this would be normal because now you can just, as you usually would, put the quadratic into your equation solver, but this time you can put the cubic in. So it become 2 sine cubed 2 theta equals, so this side remains the same. Actually no, because you want to turn this cos squared 2 theta into sine squared 2 theta. So it become, the minus 17 remains the same, and instead it would become a plus sine squared 2 theta, like that. Now if you bring it all to one side, you would get 2 sine cubed 2 theta, so you would get that. Now the 19 sine 2 theta, actually first, actually wait, this is wrong. It becomes minus 17 plus 17 sine squared 2 theta, like that. So
Yeah.
I would bring this to the left hand side now, and it would become minus 17 sine squared a yo, right, sine squared 2 theta. So this would go as well. Now this would stay the same, just continue adding the 19 sine 2 theta. So you understand up till now, right?
Yeah, this makes sense.
And you would do 3 minus 17, which would be minus 14, and then just bring it to the other side, it will become plus 14. Now this is where you put it into your equation solver. But you don't just directly put it into your equation solver, you would use the factor theorem, and after you get one of your values. So I just got 7 on my calculator, so I do f of 7 equals 0. Therefore x minus 7 is a factor. Now further you would use the algebraic long division to find out your two values, and then just confirm it on your calculator, but I just don't have space, so I'm just gonna write x minus 7. My other value was x minus 2, and my last value was negative half, but I could just do 2 2x plus 1, so that becomes a half. Now arc sine of 7 is not possible. Arc sine of 2 is not possible because the limits of a sine graph go up to 1 and negative 1. So your only value that would be possible is sine theta equals negative a half. So you'd put that in your calculator, you would arc sine negative 0.5. Your first value, oh sorry, before we do that, we should check the range out, because the given range is 0, theta, 360, right? But we have 2 theta, so it would become 0, theta, 720, every value within 720. Now, my first value was minus 30, and for sine, you would do 180 minus the answer to get your first value. So my first value would be 210. Now I'll
Yeah.
do plus or minus 210, but because this is up till 0, you wouldn't do minus. You would go to your next value, which would be minus 30 plus 360. Remember, we still had the minus 30, but it doesn't count in the range, so we don't do that. Minus 30 plus 360, so this would be 330.
Oh.
330 plus 360 is 690, that goes in the range as well. But then we also have 210 plus 360. Remember, after subtracting 180 from your first value, you just continue adding or subtracting 360. Now, this is 2 theta equals that. So theta would just equal all of these values divided by 2. So it'd be 210 divided by 2, 105. 330 divided by 2, which is 165. 570 divided by 2, 285. And 690 divided by 2, 345. These all fit in the original range, so your answers are here. That's his 12 out of 12 marks.